So what are the 3 things that you should know before starting TRT? TRT is not something to consider lightly. We're going to discuss the top 3 things that we've come up with for what you should consider before starting TRT. So keep watching. We ask that you consider watching until the entire video, because in today's video we're going to be discussing what are the top 3 things that one should consider before starting TRT, and for that matter HRT, but we'll focus primarily on TRT. What should you consider before starting? So the first item that we've thought, based on our experience and what we hear from our patients, would be get informed. Now, what are you getting informed about? You're getting informed to understand the side effects and the benefits of treatment. So I'll leave it with Dr. George, a TRT expert, biopathologist, former bodybuilder, and a TRT doctor. George, good to see you.
Hi, Michael.
All right, so George, the first thing we said was getting informed. What did you mean by that?
Every medication has the benefits and the potential side effects. We should understand that if testosterone treats anemia, then going to the other side, you're going to have erythrocytosis. Biochemistry of testosterone means that it converts to estrogens and dihydrotestosterone. That dihydrotestosterone can potentially give you acne, can give you hair thinning, and estrogens can potentially give gynecomastia. Potential, though. It also can lead to prostatic enlargement, but this is totally nothing to do with the malignant scenario of cancer, but it's just hyperplasia, benign.
Okay, so that is get informed about the side effects and get informed about the benefits of treatment. And leading on to that is managing your expectations of what the treatment can do for you, along with some logistics of that, but about managing the expectations. And I think we talked about the video, previous video, we'll put the link above.
Yeah, some people are very ambitious that they're going to become like Superman or porn stars, you know. So cool down, because this is about optimizing and being biologically healthy, physically and mentally. And it's not like abusing like what bodybuilders do, that go to the other side and actually are destroying themselves.
Okay, fair enough. And the third one that we've come up with on this video today is testosterone is a lifelong treatment.
Exactly. So you need to be aware of this. You need to consider the cost. You need to consider the procedure, which is weekly procedure, sometimes 2 or 3 times a week. So you need to have consistency and not just say, I'm tired, I'm going to stop this. You never come off of testosterone. You're plagued with this because you need it, and frankly, you don't produce it.
Well, it's so interesting because sometimes we'll have people that will approach us and they'll say, can I just do testosterone for a little bit?
No.
And I think that there are some that still don't understand the concept.
You're doing this just because you need it. It's a lifetime treatment to a disease has no reverse. There's no reverse of this disease, hypogonadism. It's a downhill process.
I suppose people think, who aren't informed, that testosterone replacement therapy is going to just top up your level, and then if you just stop, you'll go back to where you were. And there can happen for many people, but what people forget is that the period between when you stop and when your natural levels come back in.
You have already suppressed your natural levels that in the beginning they were not existing enough. So you have nothing to lose, only to win.
And one of the examples, just to give like a real world example, like when I was given treatment, and we can talk about your experience, George, the first time around, the doctor had put me on about 20 weeks of TRT to see it as a trial of treatment, but decided to stop altogether because he was a bit worried about my age. I was 22. And that time when he stopped, my levels really didn't recover. I mean, eventually I'd get blood tests like every couple of weeks to see if my levels were coming back online because I didn't feel like they were better.
It's a crime stopping the TRT. It's a crime.
And my levels actually never went back up to the original level where we started.
Of course, Michael, of course. Because number one, you're already from the beginning hypogonadal, and number two, you're suppressing those levels that were not enough.
And I also felt what it was like to have an optimal level of testosterone. And even going back to near where I was, but I wasn't anywhere near, I was 100 points difference on the nanogram per deciliter scale. It did not feel right.
I had the same case, the same example in Greece with even endocrinology. So this is what medical students know, the homeostasis, the balance. Okay, so you cannot stop hormones. It's like the thyroid. You cannot come off of T4 because you don't produce anymore.
Though sometimes it kicks back a bit quicker, but you're right, especially with the HPT axis for testosterone treatment.
And actually, we age because every hormone, apart from insulin and cortisol, they go down.
So, and that's another part of Balance My Hormones, is managing all of the hormones, not just testosterone, and keeping them in balance. So those are our top 3 topics. I think we've covered them all, George. So just to reaffirm, we've got get informed, understand the side effects as well as the benefits, but leading on from those benefits, understand and manage your expectations, because not all the benefits will be realized all at once. It takes time. So have an expectation that it's not going to happen overnight. And finally, it's a lifelong treatment. You don't hop on and hop off. It's not ideal. That's called cycling. That's something that TRT isn't about. And be prepared to be on the treatment for life with all the complexities and added time and costs that it's involved with. So be aware of that. All right, George, anything else you want to add?
That's all.
All right, then. So that's it for today's topic. Please let us know in the comments the top 3 things that you think one should consider before starting TRT. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, George. Hi, I'm Mike. And if some of you don't know me, I'm the founder of Balance My Hormones, the leading HRT and TRT clinic in the UK, where we provide a one-stop shop using evidence-based research for hormone optimization, and where we support men and women on their journey to optimal hormone balance through coaching and other support services. If you're new to TRT or HRT, you may want to follow the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.